Hey there, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you how you can easily count any Canva designs word for free and instantly. So here you can see it's a presentation file of Canva. So I will show you how you can count the word of this file. So first of all, you have to open this tool. This is a free tool, and I will attach the link in the description, or you can search for free Canva word counter by CanviPress. And then you have to click here share on your design and public view. Here you can see, or you can share the website link. So public view link is the perfect. So let's click here and create a public view link and copy this. Make sure you have copied the public view link, not this link. This link will not work. Only the public view link will work, and the website link. Like if you go to the website, you can publish to your website and then copy the URL. Let's publish the website. Let me show you just. So here you can see the website has been published, and you can copy this link and detect the word count instantly. So let's go with the previous link, the live share link. I have just pasted it here and need to click here. So it's take a few time and it will show the word count. Here you can see total 862 words and sentence, then characters, unique words, and reading time. And paragraph actually is not the correct because all text here showing just one paragraph. That is so. Here is the text how we can use. And if you need to convert your Canva website to WordPress, then you can use CanviPress plugin. This will instantly convert your Canva website to WordPress page, and you can update them as well. You can check further here. And let me show you that website link. So if you copy here and paste it, that website link, it will also work. Like check out, and you can see it's also working. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please make sure to subscribe our channel and support us.